Today I'll be talking about the Ring Pro Doorbell. I'll talk about how to install it and some of its unique features. The Ring Pro is equipped with a 1080p camera with two-way audio. It features customizable motion zones where you can adjust certain zones to trigger your Ring to start recording video. The camera also features infrared night vision, which we'll detail later. Let's begin by unboxing our device. The Ring Pro comes with instructions and a screwdriver and a drill bit for the installation. The Pro version comes with the nickel, the pearl, and the black faceplate. Turn off the power to the doorbell at the breaker box. Locate your doorbell and remove the cover. The Ring Pro comes with the power kit that is wired at the transformer. This is required for the Ring doorbell to get enough power to work properly. The Ring Pro will run off 16 to 24 volts transformer. It is very easy to wire. Just locate the front and transformer labeled wires. My Ring comes with the Pro Power Kit version 2, which has two black wires. Connect one black wire to the front terminal and the other black wire to the transformer terminal. The nice thing with this kit is it doesn't matter which black wire goes to the terminal. After I connect the power kit, I can now position the doorbell and proceed to mount it. The Ring Pro comes with a retrofit kit that has a leveling bubble to help you mount it straight. I ended up not really using the leveling bubble since my siding and door frame seemed to be tilted slightly, so I just relied on my eyes to position the doorbell. I drilled one hole first, put in a screw, and adjusted the angle of the Ring to my liking, then used a pencil to mark the other hole and drilled it out. The Ring comes with angled brackets and anchors, which I didn't need in this case. I then connected the wires to the back of the Ring and screwed it in firmly. Lastly, I installed the faceplate and screwed it in the bottom with the provided screw. This ensures the faceplate and Ring can't be easily removed. You can now reflip your circuit breaker and wait for the Ring to power on and calibrate. It takes a few minutes for the Ring to set up. This is a good time to install the app and set up the Ring on it. Once you set up the initial settings, the Ring app loads to this screen called the dashboard. Clicking the Devices tab shows all your Ring devices and their status. The Neighbors feed loads the Ring Neighborhood app, which is now open to everybody. Here, you can view and post your videos in an online community where others can post comments. Here, you can pull up a map that shows all uploaded videos in their neighborhood that is within 5 miles of your home. From the dashboard, you can click on the Event History tab, which loads all your recordings in chronological order. You can sort through the videos by answered ring, recorded motion, live view, or any favorites that you've saved. If you have a Ring alarm, it will be shown here. From the dashboard, you can also access the front door settings by clicking the 3 dots. This quickly allows you to snooze any motion alerts or go into settings. We'll highlight the motion settings page to set up your motion zones. With the Ring Pro, you are able to adjust the size and area where the camera looks for motion. This is a nice feature if you want to exclude any cars that drive by your house and only want to record people walking towards your front door. You can also save motion zones. In my case, I'll keep the name of Default Zone. I've used the Ring Pro for several months now and can say that this is a very impressive doorbell. The video quality during the day is high quality. Some negatives I've encountered so far is the night recording, which is mediocre at best. Ring recently updated its night vision to feature a new colored night vision, which adds some color and detail in low light conditions, but the video quality is just okay. There is also a delay with motion alerts about 50% of the time. There are times where my phone gives me an alert and I open it right away, but the object is already out of the picture. There is also a bit of a delay viewing the recorded motion, which the Ring is presumably saving and uploading the new recording to its server. Overall, the Ring is a useful and handy doorbell. It won't replace a video surveillance system, but it does serve as a nice video recording device when you're out of the house and want to see who's at your front door.